I welcome you all to 32nd day of my systems trading challenge. Now, today was a very interesting day, alright, so let me explain you how. So first of all, let us measure the same thing, like Nifty opened gap up by how many points? It's like almost close to 25 points, and then it made a down move of 0.3% or close to 50 points in the first candle itself. Okay, this is a 15 minutes chart, and maximum it fell to a value of 1.05%. okay, and then from this value of 1.05% it closed at close to 0.5%. Now on a day like this, a system seller should not be making any profits. Why? Because there was a a proper case of a V-shaped market. Okay, but what happened was there was insane theta decay today. Okay, even with this fall, Nifty premium was not rising as much. Finnifty, there was some spikes and there was a premium rise, but in Nifty there was absolutely none. Okay, I'll be showing you that thing, but before that, let me show you my PNL today, and then I'll show you how the PNL behaved. So I closed at 16,115, okay, and that's close to 0.8% on my capital. Now today the maximum margin that was utilized, where it is shown, okay, where okay, so I don't know where it is there. So yeah, peak margin, it's 12,71,000 rupees. So it doesn't make any difference. Why? Because I have an available margin of 18.27 lakhs, but I could not use the full margin. So let me show you like how the delta trades worked. Okay, so some of the delta trades, it like not 1, 2, but I think only 2 or 3 delta trades failed today, but everything else, captured all the moves very nicely. Now the delta trades have a trailing thing. Okay, so some of the delta trades exited in this green candle, some in this green candle, and some in this green candle, and then the fresh delta trades which were taken here, it actually gave me a very nice profit. Okay, so I think in this particular range I had one delta trade, and then this particular region at around 11 o'clock I had another one, then 12:30 one more, and then 14:20 one more, and then 15 o'clock. So this is how my total day fared out, and the theta trades also fared very well, because the theta trades, the first theta trade actually took a stop loss and it could not recover. But from 12:30 onwards, the theta trades, all the theta trades, the premium decayed so much that I ended in green for the theta trades as well. So let me show you the PNL graph, how it behaved. So this is today's graph. Let's not confuse with yesterday's, because it looked exactly the same. Not exactly, but there's a small dip here. Yesterday there was no dip in the PNL curve. And this is how it it kept on going up till 10,000. There was a huge pause, like from 13 o'clock to around 15 o'clock. So I was like hoping for my PNL to close at around 10k, or maximum, if it falls, it should be closing at around 5k. But what happened is, after 15 o'clock, all the delta trades which got booked and theta trades which were there, it started to give a massive decay. Okay, so let me show you the decay chart of Nifty. So yeah, so you see, all the time when there was no theta decay, I had been making profits in delta trades, and theta trades were in loss. But when the theta decay started, it helped both the delta trades as well as the theta ones. So theta in this theta trades in this particular premium fall, it gave me a huge profit. So that's how I ended up with this value of 16,000. So that's it for today. Let's hope that this dream run continues for me. It has been like 3 continuous days where I'm sitting on close to 3% gain in these 3 days. So yeah, we'll see you all tomorrow. Till then, take care. Bye bye.